Hello, in this video we will show you how to make a circuit using the parts in your ofrenda kit. You will need the following parts: an LED, a battery pack, your batteries, copper tape, and a pair of scissors. Let's get started. The first step is planning out your circuit. We are creating a path for electrons to flow from the negative to the positive side. When we add a power source, the current will flow through our circuit, lighting up our LED. The next step is to cover our circuit path using the copper tape. Now let's add the LED to our circuit. Make sure the long leg of the LED is connected to the positive side of your circuit. Bend the legs of your LED and then tape them down to your circuit using copper tape. Next step is adding your battery. Tape the red wire to the positive side of your circuit. Make sure the metal of the wire is touching the copper tape securely. And tape the black wire to the negative side of your circuits. And if everything goes smoothly, your LED should light up. And turn off your LED circuit by disconnecting one of your wires. Explore different ways you can make circuits. It doesn't have to be in a circle. For example, you can use two straight lines. You can also even add a second LED light. So have fun and good luck creating your circuits for your ofrenda project.